10 benefits of carrot. Carrots offer numerous health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile. Here are some key benefits. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Carrots are packed with vitamins A, C, K, and B6, along with potassium and fiber. Number 2. Good for eye health. High in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, helping maintain good vision and reducing the risk of night blindness. Number 3. Supports heart health. Antioxidants and potassium in carrots help regulate blood pressure and lower the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C and other antioxidants strengthen the immune system. Number 5. Aids digestion. High fiber content promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Number 6. Promotes healthy skin. Antioxidants, including beta-carotene, help protect the skin from damage and improve its appearance. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber in carrots helps control blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for diabetics. Number 8. Supports weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, carrots help keep you full longer and reduce overall calorie intake. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Carrots contain compounds that reduce inflammation in the body. Number 10. Good for brain health. Antioxidants in carrots may help protect against cognitive decline and improve memory. Eating carrots regularly, whether raw, cooked, or in juice form, can contribute to overall health and well-being.